Ready, set, go.
Good morning. As you can see, we're all together. Yay. Woo! And it's pouring down rain. Woo! But this lovely lady had a great idea that we just get out of the house and take a drive. So, well, I think the end result was the place that we're going to potentially may have fried okra.
Yeah, it was really my
I think she's fueled by the additional person that you're not able to see in the car.
Yeah, the fourth family member.
The fourth.
Also, though, we're going to this place. It's like a country store, and it's always fun to go in there, and it smells really good all the time, and like they have fun things to look at.
This one was Rob. I'm like, yeah, we're gonna go to the Apple store, and she's like, why do you want to go to the Apple store? Why would you want to go by there? I'm like, but that's what we talked about, and we're just talking about different.
The Apple country store.
The non-technology store.
Yeah. It's like we were just there. Why do we need to go again? I mean, okay, I'll go again, but.
So I was there the other day, and I have footage of the heartbeat. Of one of the Apple Watches,
cool.
The heartbeat. It's so much fun. I can't wait to get mine. I can't wait to order hers.
So I can get it by December.
You can get it by December, but it'll be a Christmas present.
Yeah.
Maybe by your birthday. So.
That's insane, isn't it?
Well, I think it's gonna mellow out after a little bit.
Yeah.
Because
I'm sure everybody and their brother is ordering them right now, so it's just taking a while.
It was fun. This morning I went on to the app and yeah, those cars. And we were able to watch the videos of all the medalists that they have working for the videos for the stainless, for the aluminum, and the gold. And you got to see kind of how they machine them and how they do it. It's so cool. I mean, it's like a 2-minute video, but it is absolutely impressive. And Alec was just like silence.
Yeah. It's kind of like how it's made. Well, and then the voice, when they're talking about it, it's just calming. So he's just like sitting there like, oh.
Oh, Johnny and his aluminum.
Yeah.
It's always fun.
Anyway, we are on our way
to, what's it?
Townsend.
Townsend.
It's a little bit of a drive, but I think it'll be kind of nice. No, we're not going to go to Alec's house. Alec has a birthday cake pop.
You show me your birthday cake pop?
Is it yummy?
Can I have a bite?
He's like, no, Dad.
No, I can't have a bite.
He looks at it and he goes, pink.
Is that yummy?
So anyway, I'm going to put down the camera because my arm is so heavy.
Okay, bye.
You guys are heavy. Here's the reason why they call them what they do. Oh, the smoke. Fog. Should have called them the Foggy Mountains.
Great Foggy Mountains.
Great Foggy Mountains National Park.
Oh, Foggy Mountains on the outside.
A lot of songs would have been different. Hello. Where are we? We are at the Apple Valley store and cafe. Yay! So excited.
Yeah, there's so much fun stuff here. Oh. I see you. about a year ago. They closed down the lodge.
Yeah, because the lodge is what caught on fire, and it was so pretty. It had all these fireplaces and stuff. So, but a new company just bought this this lodge again, and they're redoing it. Thought we'd come up and see it. They have cabins up here, and you can rent the cabins, and some of them are 1 bedroom, like all the way up to 3 bedroom, I think, right?
Yeah.
And then they organize activities and stuff for you to do too, like so you can go horseback riding, and they have hikes, boating trips and stuff. And each cabin has a fireplace, and then they have all the firewood and stuff up here. But a lot of people get married up here. So it is just so pretty. Hi, bud. So we're not gonna hit anything. Oh my gosh. So like right in front of us used to be where the log cabin was. That's where the lodge was.
Yeah, so they're rebuilding everything.
They're rebuilding all that. And that's like the honeymoon suite thing. And yeah, that used to be, oh my gosh, they tore it all down.
Well, that's probably completely went down.
Yeah. But that used to be this huge building. Oh, that's really kind of sad actually, because it was beautiful.
But at least now they can do a little bit better job with it and make sure nothing happens.
That's true.
Oh man.
They're camping.
Are they funny?
They're roasting marshmallows. That's neat, huh?
Yay!
It moves, doesn't it? Oh, that makes a funny noise, doesn't it?
Oh, there.
Oh, that's cool. Are they going tonight?
No.
No, they're going sleepy?
No.
That's cool. They have little glasses that come in it.
So we are done, and as you can see, we just went to Whole Foods, and it is a, I hate to say it, it's like a money pit there.
Yeah.
You can spend so much money there. We walked in and we're like, okay, we're only gonna spend a little bit of money. Yeah, right.
Didn't spend a little bit of money.
No, but it's okay, it's fine. But you got some good stuff, I'm excited. You can always do that little build your plate thing, which is always fun. They have this amazing like noodle and rice bowl thing you can get. Amazing sushi. We got Mimi a gift. Hi. We got some really cool cleaner. We got some good body lotion for Kay. Yeah.
Coconut butter.
Coconut butter. This baby is gonna be beached already. Did you get a new book? Yeah.
And we went to McKay's used books. And we got a lot of books.
Yeah. We got Christian, A Kingdom's Keeper. We got some free ones. It was the National Geographic Universe, which I don't know why that would be free, which is absolutely insane. So listen, and then Kay got this really crazy medical science.
Because I like this kind of
Yeah,
thing.
she's weirdo. We are headed home to eat, to relax. I think we're gonna do a Marvel marathon. We'll start tonight with Iron Man. Because she's been wanting to watch Iron Man. We watch a lot of Harry Potters, but we're going to start with Iron Man. I'm going to skip The Incredible Hulk because
We know what happened.
Edward Norton decided to bail, and I don't like that he bailed. I like to keep consistent with the guys. So we're going to start with Iron Man and work our way through. Even the Thors and Captain Americas, and she's going to do it with me all.
Well,
Hopefully we can get through it so I want to go see the Avengers. I want to see the midnight premiere. That'd be fun. You're going to come with me. No,
I would. I'd sleep through it.
She'd sleep through it, yes.
Saul scoots down the hall. So fast. But the yeps on the steps They're great fun to have around. And so are many, many other friends that I have found. Like the teller, and the neller, and the geller, and the deller, and the beller, and the weller, and the zeller, and the seller. It's busy down there. They're playing tic-tac-toe. That one's brushing his tail. He's playing a game, isn't he? He's doing that with his feet. What? And the geeling on the ceiling, and the zower in my shower. It's going doo-doo, take a shower, doo-doo-doo-doo. And the Zillow on my pillow. I don't care if you believe it, that's the kind of house I live in, and I hope we never leave it. He sleeps with a Zillow. The end.
Just go ahead and click subscribe. You know you want to. Why are you hesitating?